In this video, we're going to be learning how to get more positive Amazon customer reviews to increase your sales. I just wanted to let you know that this video isn't going to be some long and boring lesson. It's a short and simple guide. I recommend grabbing a pen and paper to take notes, or better yet, subscribe to this channel so you can easily watch this video again. Let's get started. Since you're watching this video, you know how important positive reviews are for success on Amazon. I'll be sharing with you 6 legitimate tips to build your positive review count. And by legitimate, I mean tips that comply with Amazon's product review policy. Tip number 1. Have good quality control. One way to ensure you only have good reviews and no bad reviews is to have good quality control. When you're sourcing your product, you want to make sure that the manufacturer or supplier you're working with upholds good standards. The defect rate of your product should be 1% or lower to maintain a good seller status with Amazon. Keep this in mind. Functional products free of defects will lead to positive reviews, while defective products will lead to negative reviews. Tip number 2. Send follow-up emails. There's a saying in sales, if you don't ask, you won't get. This saying holds true for Amazon reviews. If you don't ask customers for reviews, you won't get any. You can ask by sending follow-up emails requesting customers to leave a review after they made a purchase. Follow-up emails can also be used to provide support for your product to ensure customers have a pleasant experience, which will help towards gaining more positive feedback. It's important to note that you should always comply with Amazon's product review policy when you're crafting your email message. Tip number 3. Use package inserts. Another way to ask customers to write a review is to use package inserts. Your package insert can be as simple as a business card or a small paper note. With your package insert, you first would want to show appreciation by thanking the customer for their purchase. You also want to provide contact information to let customers know how to reach you in case they need help or support. In doing so, you'll show customers they are valued. As always, you should always comply with Amazon's policies regarding product reviews. Tip number 4. Use Amazon launch platforms. An effective way to build up your review count is to use launch platforms. A good one I recommend is VIPon. Launch platforms are a great way to place your product in the hands of willing Amazon reviewers. A quick explanation of how they work is, you list your product at a discount on their website, which will entice their community of reviewers to buy it. As a gesture of goodwill, those reviewers will voluntarily write a review to help your business. Tip number 5. Provide a comprehensive and accurate description. It's important to be honest about what you're selling, and you can do so by providing a complete and accurate description of your product. Why is this important, you ask? Well, one of the major causes of negative reviews are from customers feeling like they've been misled or ill-informed. This problem happens when products are falsely advertised or when products aren't described properly. To avoid this problem, you need to provide a complete description of your product such as size and weight, compatibility requirements, proper usage info, care and maintenance instructions, and manuals or setup instructions. These types of information are absolutely necessary to avoid confusion and false expectations, which results in negative feedback from disgruntled customers. Tip number 6. Reach out to top Amazon reviewers. Amazon has a list of their top reviewers, which you can find in the link provided. This list is a compilation of Amazon's top influencers who have produced the most helpful product reviews. Top reviewers hold noticeable titles such as Top 100 Reviewer or Hall of Fame Reviewer. It's worth your while to reach out to them and request they review your product because their opinion carries significant weight and influence with Amazon shoppers. You can reach out to them by going through the top reviewer list, clicking on their profile, and taking note of their contact information. Some top reviewers will have their email listed. I recommend copying and pasting their contact information onto a spreadsheet such as Excel to make the work easier. And this concludes our video. I hope you found this short and simple guide helpful. If you did, I kindly ask you hit the like button. Also, Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you can further learn how to improve your business. If you find yourself too busy to do the work yourself, I can help. Just click on the link. Thanks for watching.